I am Trejista from Sarsup Institute of Science, Gujarat. My topic is
Now I am
X-ray. Yes, sir. Introduction of X-ray machine. An X-ray machine is a complex device used in variety circumstances around the world. Florida State University researchers have developed a new material that could be flexible to make flexible X-ray detectors for less harmful and uh, harmful to the environment and costless than existing technologies. Mass team found a different solution. They use the compound of manganese halide to create scintillators that not they not use or lead or heavy metals. There are three materials are there. First one is vacuum tube. Second one is high voltage power source, and third is operating console. Uh, there are features are there. A new material that could be uh, used to make flexible X-ray detectors. Okay. There are three trends in radiology. Uh, First one is use of AI. AI is artificial intelligence. There is for radiology as new technologies has been uh, accurately identify the nodal nodals and breast tumors much faster than human eyes, which could improve treatment planning, planning for a patient in 2020. Uh, 2020 will show us whether AI campaigns can get users, physicians, and technicians to invest that improving AI. Second one is data sharing for care coordination. Into sharing data to healthcare physician and all doctors for sharing data with patient. The culture of our society in 2020 has patient exciting for immediate digital access to their data. Data sharing is of medical images used patient portal will grow more common. Okay. Third one is improving patient experience. Uh, that can be patient experience uh, while want to have state art art machinery and data sharing. We cannot lose slide slide of the patient. Developing low cost scintillators, material that can be easily manufactured and perform well remains great challenge. Mass said, uh, uh, sorry, sir. Sir, is over, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, you are done.
Thank you. Thank you, Darshita. Thank you for your presentation. So, can you tell me what is the wavelength and energy of X-rays? Basically, first let me know what is meant by X-ray. What are all these X-rays? Yeah.
X-ray, they are
X-rays are nothing but a type of electromagnetic radiations, EMR. So what is the wavelength and what is the energy of X-rays?
Sir, not
No idea.
idea, but
Okay, thank you. If you don't have idea, means I am done, sir. So I am handing over to sir next. Ganesan sir or Patil sir, you please take over.
Madam, you belongs to which university?
sir, Bhavnagar University, Sir P.P. Institute of Science, Gujarat, Bhavnagar.
Bhavanagar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bhavanagar, Gujarat. You are BSc student, na?
Yes, sir.
BSc. Okay. BSc physics or chemistry?
Sir, physics, sir.
Okay. In which journal it was referred? Can you
Sir,
spell the name of the journal?
sir, I am referred 2020 views ma and all 2020 and 2019.
Okay. So anyhow, good attempt, but we need a little more clarity. What do you mean by X-rays? Who was invented by? What's the composition, in your opinion, being a BSc physics students? And old applications, recent, what are the novel applications which was tried by the research team? So likewise, if your cop up means it was nice information for us. Anyhow, good attempt. All the best.
Okay, Darshita, it's a different topic for me also. Can you tell me what are the computer-aided designs? What is the application of AI? You told there, but
Yes,
how it will be, CAD will be there in the future?
sir. For AI is मतलब जो it is rapidly analyze diagnosis or any bone crack.
Yeah. Okay. Then can you tell me what about the carbon footprints? You know, you told about environmental effect, but how exactly it is the trend is regarding carbon footprints, emission of carbon. You know that probably you may knowing that how
Yes,
the work is going on in this way.
yes, sir. Sir, no idea, sir.
Okay, can you tell us about what you mean by patient friendly? How actually it means patient friendly? How it will be means what you want to say about it? Patient friendly means they don't appear to against the X-ray or what? What mean by exact patient friendly? How it will be? How the trends is?
Sir, what, sir?
Yeah,
Sir,
patient. Okay. Okay. I'm done. We can take next participant.